Hey, horsey and gun people. So Pat turned me on to this Home Chef. He said their meals are pretty good. So I went to their little site and ordered one. So now I want to see, and I'm going to pull out everything and see what we got here on how it comes. So it came in a box. It's got pretty good packing. It's got these frozen packs. It's still ice, which is a good thing. I've gotten some things where this was all water. This is still ice, so it still must be pretty cold. Looks like I got some broccoli with some little cranberry sauce or whatever. Looks like I got some lettuce. Looks like some sauce there, some cheese maybe. Maybe a little mayonnaise to make some sort of coleslaw thing. Oh, these are like green beans. I think I remember looking at something like for raspberry green beans. Right here. Got some potatoes and broccoli. Wow, with a little stuff there. A little butter. Potato and broccoli. So supposedly all these are 15 to 30 minute cooking. Right here, a nice bell pepper. Got some, looks like maybe some pesto sauce there. And some little russet potatoes. And what do I got here? Got some more little potatoes. Looks like maybe some cheese, maybe some vinegar. That looks like a tomato. It is a tomato. Looks like some green onions with maybe some Parmesan cheese. This looks like feta cheese. And then some little potatoes in there. And then, looks like the beef. I got a pork chop. I don't know what that is, some sort of tri-tip. And that's a ground pork loin right there. There's a piece of chicken. And there's a little steak that I'm supposed to slice up. So all your meats are there. And there's another ice thing at the bottom, which is solid ice. It's not even melted. So the packing and shipping's pretty good. And it comes with this nice kind of thick foamy insulation around the box. So I'm pretty impressed with the packing. And those are my little meals. Hopefully it came with directions, because I don't know what the hell. Let me see if it's got directions on this shit. 12-ounce center cut pork chop, safe handling. Man, I sure as hell hope they gave me some Oh, what's this? Hi, open me for delicious deals. How about some freaking directions? Oh, here's my little treats. So that's the chicken basil parmesan cream sauce with my directions. One even comes with little holes so you can keep it if you want to make it later. I want to put this on a little 3-hole binder. This looks like the peach glazed pork chop. That looks pretty good. This looks like the steak strip Marcello risotto. Ooh, that's going to be good. And this is my chicken breast with chicken dimmy. Little feta cheese there on the broccoli. I guess that's it. 1, 2, 3. I thought I had 5. I was supposed to get 2 free meals. If you do, man, they ripped me off. What the? You cheap, no ripping me off. So how come I only got 4 meals? I wonder if they're going to ship one of my free ones separately or something. Wow. I thought I had 5 meals. Well, I got 4 meals. Oh, it comes with a little binder. How spiffy is that? Welcome to Chef. There's a little 3-ring binder. Keep it. Hey, that's pretty freaking spiffy. And I think it ended up coming out to $8 a meal. So each one of these bills are $8 because you get some, if you order, you got to give your credit card. It's kind of a pain that you got to give your credit card and everything before they'll even let you pick your meals. And then they just give you, you can pick 2 or 3 meals a week. They automatically send it once a week. And I think I ordered 5 because I was trying to substitute one meal for another and I end up adding them. So that's why I got 5. But I end up getting like 2 free meals or something anyway. So I think all of this cost me, I think $47 4 or 5 meals. Well, it looks like 4 meals. It's supposed to be 5. They ripped me off. But I thought I had 5 meats. I do have 5 meats. They must have just not sent me a direction, or maybe one of the directions will double for one of these. Anyway, I gotta get all this in the refrigerator. That's pretty stinking spiffy. I haven't tried it. So maybe I'll show a picture after I cook it. Alright, well in that there, little home chef deal. Alright, y'all have a good one. Okay, so here's the directions for my pork meatloaf. What was that? That was the one I think I couldn't find. That's what it's supposed to look like. Alright, so it says prepare the ingredients. Here's my ingredients, my little green beans, my pesto, my tomato, whatever that is. That's the breadcrumbs, I think. That looks like some guacamole, some sour cream, a little home seasoning pack, and what else I got in here? This looks like some sort of oil that may have leaked in the bag, but it's still good in the bag. And then I have onion salt. Okay, got all my ingredients. Here we go, next step. Okay, so I said put some green beans with some, they didn't give me the olive oil, I have olive oil. Put the Paco, whatever the hell Paco is, I don't know what it was, but they add it with some water, so I put that in there. Cut up my cilantro. Man, that fresh cilantro really smells good. Diced up my onion, or my tomato, and now I'm supposed to mix, this was guacamole. I'm supposed to mix, what does it say here? Mix, after 2 minutes, put ground pork, pesto, salt in a bowl with panko, and combine thoroughly for 2 evenly little loaves. All right, so I guess I'm gonna put this pork, ground pork, in here with all this stuff. Onion salt, fajita seasoning, sour cream. I thought I was making meatloaf. What do I need? Maybe that go. Oh, that must be the guacamole on top there after I bread it. I guess I'll wait till I get to that. All right, here we go. Okay, so all that was mixed in. The little pesto, it's a chipotle pesto. That's why I was expecting green, but it was a red. So that's my ground beef and salt. Like they said, mix it. I still have my fajita seasoning, my sour cream, and this guacamole. I think that's going to make my sauce on top. I still have these 2 left. Green beans are here. They didn't say anything. I'm going to add a little bit of salt and pepper on top of this, on top of my oven, and then I'm sticking it in the oven. Okay, so remember, these are 2 serving meals. I think you can get 3 serving or 4 serving. These are 2 servings. So I mixed up my cilantro and stuff. I put a little crushed pepper on top of there, and that's supposed to go over the green beans. So I think for 2 servings, these would be pretty nice little meals. For me, it's kind of a big fat meal. So I still have a big meatloaf and some green beans left. There's that. I need to stir up my, I didn't use all the sour cream. I used about half of the sour cream that was in there. But that guacamole, let me tell you, it was really, really good. So, you start, I still don't know what this fajita sauce is. It's not mentioned in the directions, so that's kind of an error. They need to fix that. What the hell is that for? I'm not even making fajitas. So anyway, put a little of that on top of there. Maybe a little crushed red pepper because I like spicy. Ooh, doggies. It's time to eat. There it is. A little fresh meal. What is that? Home chef. I'll let you know how it tastes. Well, I guess I could maybe try a little bite. Here. Just to tease you. Because it's pork, I cooked it a little bit longer. Seems pretty flaky and moist. Wow. That's really, really good. Holy smokes. That is really good. Wow. And I haven't even got to the cilantro yet. So, all right, I'm going to go eat. Figured I'd share. Home chef. See y'all.